kusema namna hii.
Nataka
kusema namna hii. Nimesikia ati kuna kadi maisha ama kadi maisha. Maisha kadi.
Bora maisha.
Mimi nataka kusema hivi. Hakuna maneno ya maisha kadi kwa watoto wetu. Na hatutakubali kitu kama hiyo. We will not accept.
Napinga tena president.
We will not accept. My friend, I cannot agree everything with the president. I must disagree some things. That is not good. You cannot tell me that my child is going to be slaughtered in hospital at to put a card. What a stupid thing. I want to tell the president. Sometimes I can agree with you, but sometimes I can disagree with you. We cannot accept the West nation to come to Africa, start to slaughter our children that they want to put maisha card. We will not allow them. Actually, I've been telling the president, stop working with the United States of America. Stop working with UK. These people are stupid. Are very stupid. They think the way they slaughter their children to put Illuminati in the boat of their children. They want also to do the same thing to the African children. We will not accept that one. And I want to tell Biden, you better go and slaughter your children. No, not Africans. My child called Derry. It is going to be slaughtered to put maisha card. Raisi hapana. Hapana. I want to tell the president. I want to tell the president. You are my president, I cannot refuse that one. But it has come a time where my child, the life of my child concerns me a lot. And I will not accept that. If I get a doctor slaughtering my child and put anything in his body, I will slaughter that doctor. I will not allow that one. Na mumesikia tena, hivi karibuni mulisikia kuwa Nairobi it's a good city to visit. Yani hakuna city ingine mzuri kama wageni kukuja kama Nairobi. Tumupigie Sakaja makofi kidogo.
Sakaja gani?
Kazi tumefanya.
Sakaja gani? NMS ni Sakaja.
Niliwaambia governor Sakaja hapo na mpango. Wanafikiria kungangana kuweka Nairobi part of those cities, the best cities in the world. Unafikiria ni mchezo?
NMS ni Sakaja.
My friend, I want to congratulate my governor Sakaja for a good job. And umeona hata rais amejivunia. Wewe umeona huyu mtalii alikuja. Anaitwa King. Na mimi nashukuru sana amekuja kwa the best city. Na governor, tunataka kazi iendelee namna hiyo ili tuendelee kusaidia wananchi, na tuliwaambia kuwa pia tunataka kuweza kuajiri vijana 2,500. Lakini maneno ya rais kusema ati maisha kadi kuja kwa watoto wetu, hiyo mimi napinga 100%. Lakini nitakusupport. Lakini maneno ya watoto wetu bwana, sisi hatutachinjwa watoto wetu atuwanaeka. Mimi wacha nimalizie. I want to tell United States of America and UK, especially the West,
Spoke it big.
They have been playing with African people. Every day. If you see any powerful leader land in Africa, we have somebody that is came to pick it. And I want to tell, if the king came to Kenya so that we can implement the mission of slaughtering our children, I want to tell that King Charles, no, we will not allow that one. We will not allow that one. Thank you very much.
Thank you.